students. Today we will discuss investing activity. In previous class we have already started investing activity. So today we will continue this activity in illustration number 22. So calculate the cash flow statement from investing activity from the following information. Investment in shares of Miko Limited is given 8 lakh in 2014 and 18 lakh in 2015. 12% long-term investment is given 5 lakh and 1 lakh 50,000. Plant and machinery given and goodwill. According to the additional information, 9% dividend was received from Miko Limited and a machinery costing 50,000. Depreciation provided 15,000, sold for 40,000. Depreciation charge for during the year is 55,000. So we will calculate the investing activity. So according to the statement, plant and machinery are 4 lakh in 2014 and 6 lakh in 2015, and there is a additional information is also given regarding machinery. So that's why we will prepare a separate account for plant and machinery. So this is a format for plant and machinery account. Plant and machinery account is real account, that means asset account. So all asset have a debit balance. So that's why opening balance of plant and machinery will be right on debit side and closing balance will be written on credit side. To balance brought down and to balance carried down. It is already given in the statement, that is opening balance of plant and machinery is, so opening balance of plant and machinery is given 4 lakh and closing balance of plant and machinery is given 6 lakh. Opening balance is 4 lakh and the closing balance is 6 lakh. Now a part of machinery is sold during the year in 40,000 rupees and depreciation charge during the year, full depreciation आपका जो चार्ज हुआ है मशीनरी पे, that is given 55,000 rupees. Now we will calculate profit and loss on sale of machinery. Machinery costing 50,000, depreciation is 15,000. So present value of machinery is 35,000 according to the statement, but sold for 40,000. That means 5,000 more than the market value. So 5,000 rupees is gain or profit on sale. So gain on sale will be written on debit side, 5,000. Now we will calculate balancing figure. Credit side total is 6,95,000. Debit side total is 4,05,000. So remaining balance is your purchase amount. So balancing figure will be considered as purchase. So your purchase amount is 2,90,000. Now we can prepare our investing activity with the help of this. In investing activity, first thing we will write sale of plant and machinery, already written in the account, that is 40,000. Purchase of plant and machinery, already calculated in 290. Purchase is outflow, that's why in bracket for minus. Now the remaining information. Investment 8 lakh to 18 lakh, that means 10 lakh investment is purchased. Long term investment 5 lakh to 1,50,000, that means 3,50,000 rupees sale. Goodwill is 40 to 120, that means 80,000 goodwill is purchased. Investment in shares of Miko Limited, एज आई टोल्ड यू कि आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट 5 to 15 लाख हो रही है, सो 10 लाख परचेज है. एंड सेल ऑफ लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट 5 लाख to 150 हो रहे हैं, सो दैट्स वाई सेल है आपका 350. आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट परचेज है सो दैट्स वाई आप उसको माइनस में लिखोगे, इन्वेस्टमेंट सेल है तो आप उसको प्लस में लिखोगे। नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज गुडविल परचेस्ड 40 to 180, 40 to 120 हो रही है, सो दैट्स वाई 80,000 गुडविल परचेज। नाउ इन एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन इट इज़ गिवन कि 9% डिविडेंड रिसीव्ड होगा मीको लिमिटेड से। ठीक है, मीको लिमिटेड की जो इन्वेस्टमेंट है वो लास्ट ईयर मेरी थी 8 लाख की, तो मुझे लास्ट ईयर के ऊपर इसी ईयर डिविडेंड रिसीव्ड होगा। लास्ट ईयर मैंने 8 लाख की इन्वेस्टमेंट की, इन करंट ईयर मुझे 9% डिविडेंड रिसीव्ड हुआ, सो दैट मीन्स माई इनकम इज 72,000। नाउ इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट इज ऑल्सो रिसीव्ड। इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट रेट इज गिवन 12%। लास्ट ईयर मैंने 5 लाख इन्वेस्टमेंट की, दिस ईयर आई विल गेट 12% इंटरेस्ट, so that means 60,000. So plus and minus, with the help of plus and minus we will calculate the amount for investing activities 8,48,000. Because your answer is in minus, so that's why we will write net cash used in investing activity. So this is your illustration number 22. Now we will discuss your next illustration number 24. The balances in the machinery account and accumulated depreciation account are as 31st March 2018 and 19 are given below. Machinery is 6 lakh in 2019 and 5 lakh in 2018. Accumulated depreciation is given and additional information are given regarding machine. Prepare cash flow statement. That means in this statement we will prepare operating activity, investing activity, and if needed then financial activity also, but financial activity we will discuss later. So today we will discuss these two activities. Because there is additional information regarding machinery, so that is important, we will prepare a separate account for machinery for calculation of purchase amount or sale amount. So opening balance of machinery is 5 lakh, closing balance of machinery is 6 lakh. This is the format of machinery account. So opening balance of machinery is 5 lakh, closing balance of machinery is 6 lakh. Now in the additional information it is given machinery costing 1 lakh, accumulated depreciation 44, sold for 30,000. So हमने सोल्ड किया मशीनरी को 30,000 में। accumulated depreciation, for calculation of accumulated depreciation it is given 44,000 आपने चार्ज किया मशीनरी पे। So in working note we will calculate machinery costing 1 lakh, depreciation is 44. So machinery costing 56, sold in 30,000, so there is a loss of 26,000. Loss will be written on credit side. Loss on sale is 26,000. Now credit side total is 7 lakh, but debit side have only 5 lakh, so there is a balancing figure on debit side amounting 2 lakh. So this is purchase. So now we will prepare accumulated depreciation account. Accumulated depreciation account is your liability, so that's why we will start this account with credit balance. Balance brought down is given in the statement. 1,64,000 is opening balance and 1,80,000 is closing balance, and depreciation charge on machinery is given in the statement, that is 44,000. So balancing figure is depreciation, that is regarding current year. So current year depreciation is 60,000. So with the help of this account we will prepare our cash flow statement. So So it is important, if there is additional information we will prepare separate account for calculation. So in this sum we will prepare cash flow statement for the year ended 31st March 2019. We will prepare these three activity, but this activity is not discussed today. We will discuss these two activity. So net profit is not given in this statement, so that's why net profit is missing. But we have already given डेप्रीशिएशन, जो हमने डेप्रीशिएशन अकाउंट से कैलकुलेट किया आपका बैलेंसिंग फिगर 60,000. सो डेप्रीशिएशन इज चार्ज 60,000 एंड लॉस ऑन सेल ऑन मशीनरी इज 26,000. There is no other information related to operating activity, so 86,000 rupees are related to operating activities. Net cash from cash flow from operating activity. Now the next thing in investing activity आपकी सेल ऑफ मशीनरी है. सेल ऑफ मशीनरी इज 30,000. परचेज ऑफ मशीनरी इज 2 lakh. Any other information is not given, so that means 1,70,000 net cash used from operating activity. So this is your illustration number 24.